The owner tried to enter the house. When someone passed by, the door wouldn't open because the stranger was detected. However, once only the owner or other authorized users are authorized by the front door camera, the door will unlock automatically, which utilizes the face recognition technique to distinguish the authorized users and the strangers.
Ding.
Facial recognition. Firstly, locate the face outline in the image to extract the object. Secondly, filters will be applied to clean the noise, correct the lightness, and other tasks. Lastly, by feature extraction and matching, facial recognition is able to identify each target uniquely. Thanks to deep learning techniques, the reliability is promised by a low error rate. Swiftland has a face recognition system that provides entry through face recognition access, mobile app access, as well as traditional key fob systems and PIN entry. It also includes a built-in video intercom calling for handling visitor entry, allowing visitors to be buzzed in through a remote door unlock. After the user walks into or leaves predefined section spaces, such as living room and bedroom, the smart thermostat will be triggered to be on or off. The thermostat can also adjust the temperature as needed based on history of temperature preference. The smart home can make decisions intelligently without the user's instructions. The indoor sensors can detect where the user is and turn on the devices corresponding to the room. After the user leaves the house, the smart air conditioner will stop working automatically. The theory behind the smart thermostat is that the sensors can detect the ambient temperature and then send a signal to the system to adjust the environment in the house according to the adaptive algorithm, which makes use of the data of daily temperature. Google Nest Learning Thermostat is a great existing example that can learn the environment requirements of users and automatically improve itself to save energy and promise comfortability for the users. It can also be easily controlled remotely through the mobile application.
Hey Siri.
While the user is relaxing on the couch, it seems too dark in the room. The owner did a finger snap to trigger the event. This kind of special sounds could be used for customization in the voice assistant. For example, the user can say, "Smart home, open the curtain and the dome lights for me." Moreover, the voice assistant can control many devices that are connected through the internet by a centralized intelligence system. The history of intelligent voice assistants can be traced back a long time ago. The voice assistant involves 5 major techniques: wake-up detection, speech recognition, natural language processing, text-to-speech synthesis, and voice integration. The voice assistant can connect with third-party applications to extend its usability and versatility. The outstanding voice assistants are Alexa from Amazon, HomePod from Google, Siri from Apple. The existing techniques are well integrated enough to link with other devices to have more controls over the home appliances. The user walks into the kitchen. As the screen on the fridge pops up, everything inside the fridge can be viewed through the internal camera without opening it. The fridge can provide suggested meal recipes whose ingredients contain the food in the fridge. The user could swipe back and forth to see multiple choices. Those recipes could be intelligently customized by the diet preferences of users. The fridge will demonstrate the detailed steps after the user selects the recipe, which can help the user cook the delicious meal much more efficiently. The smart fridge integrates multiple advanced technologies such as voice assistant, image recognition, energy management, and some machine learning algorithms to optimize the user experience than those conventional ones. The Samsung Family Fridge Hub is a wonderful product with more functionalities than the one shown before. It also provides a mobile application linked to the fridge, enabling the user to see the storage remotely. More powerfully, it can even tag food expiration dates and inform the user. Bixby is the voice-controlled assistant of the fridge. Whenever the user wants to check the schedule and get inspiration for recipes, do it all with the user's voice. After the meal, the owner went back to the living room. The owner falls down accidentally. As the indoor camera detects these kinds of actions, the voice assistant calls the emergency in 5 seconds if no instruction is given to cancel the call.
Are you okay? Can you hear me? Do you need help? I will call emergency for you if I haven't heard from you for 5 seconds. Can you hear me? Can you respond to me? Do you need help? I will call emergency for you now.
Human detection and posture analysis are two major techniques implemented in fall detection systems. To be specific, the system firstly uses technologies in computer vision to analyze the images by the models trained for recognizing the user behaviors, and then with the help of speech recognition it communicates with the user for further actions. Take cami cameras for example. Firstly, the sensor can detect the fall and send an accurate alert in real time. The video history can be obtained to help reduce fall risks. The user can get help instantly for any serious scenarios. When the owner was resting on the couch again, he forgot to turn off the water valve. The user can monitor the water system through the application to check if the faucet is turned off or not. Additionally, the application can also present the quality of the water according to the filter, promising high-quality drinking water for daily use. By integrating more sensors and electrical components, the water filter nowadays is becoming smarter. Those changes enable the filter to gather more detailed information of contaminants by techniques like radio frequency identification and connect to the network for remote control and integration with other smart devices. When the user is outside, there is a sudden alert pop-up in the user's mobile device. The indoor camera detects strangers that are not authenticated. Seems like a burglar breaks into the house. The system will first produce an alarm trying to scare away the strangers. Then it will report to the user and simultaneously call the police 000 if required by the user. The indoor camera for detecting the intruder applies the same techniques used for front door face recognition. It additionally implements object classification and behavior analysis to detect intruders with masked faces and authorize people with suspicious behaviors.